So let us start with computer networking. You will learn to describe what is a network. Then we will see different types of examples of network in our day-to-day life. Then we will describe the standard definition of computer network, and finally we will conclude our next lecture with characteristics of networking. So, what is a network? A network is nothing more than two or more computers connected to each other so that they can exchange information such as emails, messages, or documents, or they can share resources such as disk storage or printers. In most cases, this connection is made via electrical cables that carry the information in the form of electrical signals. But in some cases, the type of connections are used. For example, fiber optic cables let computers communicate at extremely high speeds by using impulses of light. So, standard definition of computer network goes as follows. To be specific with computer technology, a network is a connection of two or more computers that are linked to each other in order to carry out tasks such as printing, sharing data, exchange of electronic media, etc. So, what are the characteristics of a computer network? Well, the major advantage of a computer network is sharing of resources from one device to another device. Then, we can also create and store files onto different PCs located in the network. We can access files from different computers. We can connect input-output devices to a computer. It allows us to share databases on different servers, and it also minimizes cost consumption. There are many types of networks such as local area network, wide area network, metropolitan area network, and many more. So, let us have a quick recap. We discussed what is a network, we discussed the definition of a computer network, we saw real life examples of computer network like a group of friends, and finally characteristics of computer networks. What's next? Once we know the definition of computer network, we move on to the topologies in computer networks.